We got this Toyota Camry TRD edition that was caught in our Houston hailstorm last couple weeks. It's pretty bad. So instead of fixing the hood and the trunk, the customer wanted to buy a carbon fiber hood and carbon fiber truck. I got my gloves on. I guess I'm working today. Let's get this install going. This is the windshield wiper squirters. The lines that runs it, we already took it apart. It's pretty easy. You just pop it off there. We have to pull off the hood shocks off of this thing. It looks like it's customized, honestly. Does not look like it's original. All right, Mason, you ready? So we noticed there's a scratch on this carbon fiber hood. We'll buff it after the installation is completed. We're unscrewing a boat one by one. I don't know what time it is, but it's hot. So we're gonna swap out this OEM trunk for a carbon fiber one. We have to swap over this trunk bezel and then these two tail lamps and a bent ass license plate. I think the rain's about to come, so. What the fuck do we have here? Messed up right now. There come the rain. Make sure you unplug everything. Oh, what the fuck is this shit? That light's in the way. It's a good one. Remove this trim piece right here. It pops right off. And then there's two tens holding the camera on. So I removed the trunk latch, and this is the key that goes right here to access the trunk when your trunk is no longer working. So we just swapped everything over from the original trunk. All the push clips, all the holes is already cut out. We're gonna try to put it back in the original spot. You make sure you drill this hole in this hole. There's indentions there where it needs to be drilled now. So everything's back to normal. So on this EPR Toyota Camry trunk, this is what was on it, and we ripped it out. So what we're gonna do is mount it, and then we're gonna use our SEM, which is our best friend, and mount it in place and SEM it. So all we had to do was just mount this back up, make sure you plug everything back in play, check your tail lights, and then I'm gonna install the carpet back on. So make sure you put your carpet on, Make sure everything lines up and drill a few holes for your carpet. So we buffed out the little scratches that it had, like we showed in the beginning of the video. It's completed. Now we just gotta give it back to the customer. They're up front.